Hey guys, welcome back to React Daily episode number 3, where I bring you the most exciting and exciting React content. Well, in this one we'll be talking about how to upload an image file, and then right after that, be able to preview it. It will also have some problems which I'm not gonna go over. For example, if you don't upload anything, you're basically trying to create nothing at the URL.createObjectURL, and it's gonna do something like that. But let's go over how to just upload a file and show it right now. Upload a image, sorry. So let's erase all of these. Well, actually, if you came for the code, that's it right there. That's not that much, to be honest. And you already know there's going to be at least two things. Right? There's going to be an input for sure, right? You got to be inputting something. There's got to be an image that actually shows the input. So the idea is this: the input is going to set a state called maybe image source to the image that is inputted, and then the image right here, this image tag, will display that image source. So it's going to be called this.state.image source, and then alt placeholder. Hell yeah. So we have nothing to input right now. Now to make this a file input, instead of this crap right here, where you actually enter, well, I don't know, yeah, you can just do type equals to file, and then so if we save that right now, it's gonna look like this. Then we say, now here's an optional thing you can do: accept equals to. So right now, if I choose file, you can upload everything. For example, this is like a movie right here, but you can also upload that. But you can say accept only images, and that asterisk there will represent that we are accepting all images, including, I think, SVGs, for sure, JPEG and PNG. But people can change the all files right here, and then upload some other stuff that you don't want, which could be problemsome, right, if they're trying to break your system on purpose. Now, how do we detect that the user is actually uploading something? We just do on change, and then pass in an event, or actually let me write it out here so that it looks cleaner. This.handle file input, and then let me write up here handle file input, making an arrow function, and then gotta pass in the event, and then we can just do. So here's how you actually get the image, get the image data. Here's how you get the image data. Let image data equals to, let's just say equals to, well, it's not, let's just say this is how you do it: event.target.files, and then you grab the first one. Because I think when you pass up things, you can pass up multiple things, but they're all going to be in files. But if you're just accepting one image, it's always going to be the first item in the files. And then to convert it into image that we can actually display, here's how we do it. Let's displayable image equals to URL. Here's the pretty boy: URL.createObjectURL image data. And then we can do this .set state image source equals to displayable, and then let's set the default image source to be null. Okay, so hopefully this should work, unless I missed something. Let me upload a picture of myself. Yep, so it works. You can of course make a few modifications. For example, you can add a style tag. Heights maximum, we give it like a 100 px, and then width, let's just say auto. But actually it should be the other way around, but who cares. We can also make this cleaner. I'll probably just do this as URL.createObjectURL event.target.files 0. So now let's talk about why is it that I missed something here. No, I didn't. Okay, I missed a comma. I don't see it. But you know this works. So now let's talk about the magic of URL.createObjectURL. Actually, object URL, if you print this thing right here, it's like a 10, it's like a string with like 10 characters, or maybe like 20. So of course the string itself therefore is not able to display all of the information. In fact, I will log it in the console to let you guys see. Let's just do console.log this.state.image source. We will use the callback because it might be asynchronous. So where's the log? Okay, so yeah, we see it turns into a blob, and this thing right here is not really like, it cannot contain information by itself, just in the string itself, right? If you open it up, it's gonna show. Actually it didn't show right there, but now the blob really is able to store data at this address, but the string itself does not represent data. So this becomes really crucial. So for example, if you want to send this thing right here to the database, you can't just send this.state.image source to the database to be able to store it. You got to do something like, you got to actually convert it to a data with a string with data inside of it, and that is, for example, with toData URL. Something like this, like the data URL itself, the string itself contains data inside. It is a base 64 string that when you convert it is able to show image, or other ways. I'm not sure what this Stack Overflow is about. Yeah, but that's just the thing that you have to watch out for. Now let me think of anything I can add. Not much more. Source equals to this. Yeah, not much more I want to add. So that's it for the video, and if you like it, thank you. Well, in the next video we'll be talking about how to, let's say, you know what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make this component to be drag and droppable, because I like that, right? And what the thing will look like, what this draggable thing will look like, is I'm gonna go to my website. It's gonna look something like this. It's not showing up. Dude, this VPN is really slow. But we can drag and drop the image here. Right. So yeah, thank you guys for watching.